in my village. My school name is Jilla Parishad Primary School, Mangarpada. Today I want to say two words about my school is near my home. My school is the best school in the village. I learn new things every day, so I love my school. There are two classrooms in my school. There is a beautiful garden in front of my school. And there are two teachers in my school. There are two teachers in my school are very kind. Last year, our has published a wonderful book, success story of school activities on the occasion of Swatantracha Amrit Mahotsav of Independence based on activities. We as students are witness to this. Really proud of Jilla Parishad in our village. Hello everyone, thank you very much for coming to our school. Today I will tell you about the facilities of our school. Many innovative activities are implemented in my school. It should include primary school preparation, spelling bee, spoken English, TLM, student birthday, painting competitions, women's days, village cleanliness mission, English reading and writing, camps field visit, river field visit, cashew field visit, parents meet, women's meet, and annual Sneha Sammelan implemented is my school. Such in my Jilla Parishad school, beautiful and inspiring. Thank you.
तुलाच आता पुढे यायचे,
तुलाच आता पुढे यायचे,
तुलाच आता पुढे यायचे, देश घडवण्या तयार